Look up. Flocks of birds are flying back to their homes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wisdom Bag. Today, let's enjoy a beautiful sunset and learn English together. Let's go!
I am walking along this beautiful shoreline. The air is very nice. I am feeling the cool ocean breeze.
Look over there. The sun is shining near the horizon. The water looks golden. The waves are shimmering in the sunlight. Look at the sky. The colors are changing right now. Look up. Flocks of birds are flying back to their homes. The sunset is starting. This view is very beautiful. The ocean looks red. The waves are reflecting the sunset.
The sun is going down fast. The bright light is fading. I am sitting on the sand. This moment is very peaceful. Look above the ocean. The sky is turning deep purple.
The sun is gone. It is getting dark now.
I can see stars. The night is coming. It is time to go back. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful moment and fun English lesson. Please subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. See ya!